friends, welcome to Moscow CBSE YouTube channel. Please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our new videos. Today, let us see about soil. Definition of soil, what is in the soil, composition of soil, how soil is formed, factors affecting soil formation, layers of soil, importance of soil. Soil is uppermost layer of earth. Pedology, study of soil in its natural environment. The term pedant means soil. Pedologist, the person who studies about soil is called as pedologist. What is in the soil? Soil consists of mixture of decayed dead plants and animals, also called as organic matter, broken rocks into pebbles and grains of sand, minerals, air, water, nutrients and microorganisms. Next, let us see about composition of soil. Air 25%, organic matter 5%, water 25%, minerals 45%. Soil is rich in carbon dioxide and nutrients. Let us see how. Soil contains many microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. They act on dead and decayed dead plants and animals. These microbes convert complex organic matter into simple substances. Thus, soil is rich in nutrients. Microbes in soil take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Now, let us see how soil is formed. Soil is formed by disintegration, that is breaking of huge rocks first into pebbles and finally to grains of soil. This process is called as weathering. It takes thousands of years to form an inch of soil. Next, soil formation is affected by various factors. Some of them are change in temperature, freezing, wind, rain, flowing water and biological factors. Now, let us see how change in temperature affects the weathering process. During day when the outside temperature is high, rocks expand. During night when the outside temperature is cool, rocks contract. This repeated expansion and contraction causes the rock to crack and break into smaller pieces. How freezing of water in rocks affect the weathering process? When the water enters the crack in the rocks during winter or cooler temperature, it freezes inside the rocks and makes them to crack. Later, the rocks break into smaller pieces. How wind affect the weathering process? Strong wind bring fine particles which on continuous rubbing onto rocks causes weathering, but it takes very long time. In seas and oceans, continuous waves of water hitting the rocks break them into smaller pieces, but it takes very long time. How rain affect the weathering process? When it rains on heated rock due to sudden contraction, it causes rocks to crack and break them into pieces. How biological factors affect the weathering process? Roots of trees penetrate deep into the earth, causes the rock to break into pieces. Burrowing animals such as rabbit, kangaroo, mice rub onto the rocks. Repeated friction causes the rocks to break. Lichens are microorganisms. They are the combination of algae and fungi which grow on rocks. They release chemicals which break the minerals in rocks and crack them into pieces. Now, let us see about the layers of soil. The lowest part of soil is bedrock or horizon. Next, parent rock, C horizon. Subsoil, B horizon. Topsoil, A horizon. Humus, O horizon. The topmost layer of soil is called as humus, O horizon. It is composed of dead organic matter, dried leaves, plant and animal remains. This layer is black, brown or dark brown due to organic matter. Hence, this layer marks the fertility of soil. Second layer is topsoil, A horizon. This layer is very soft and porous nature and hence rich in minerals and water. This layer holds enough air and water for microbes to grow. This layer is home for many microorganisms, insects, etc. Seed germination takes place in this layer. Third layer is subsoil, B. horizon. This layer is harder and roots penetrate deep into absorb nutrients. Due to clayey nature, this soil is light brown color. Farmers mix topsoil and subsoil by plowing to increase fertility of soil. Next layer is parent rock, C. horizon. This layer consists of rock that underwent weathering. This layer is devoid of microorganisms. Final layer is bedrock or horizon. This layer contains rocks which do not undergo weathering process. This layer has sedimentary and metamorphic rock, example granite, basalt, etc. Now, let us see some importance of soil. Soil is habitat and safe shelter for many microorganisms, plants and animals. Microbes in soil decays waste matter and pollutants and they are reused by plants. Soil acts as engineering medium for construction of house, dam, etc. Clayey soil used for preparation of pottery, sculpture, vases, etc. Antibiotics and antifungal medicines are product of soil microbes. Soil is rich source of minerals. Some examples are iron, copper, aluminium, etc. Soil absorbs water. They penetrate deep into the soil and becomes groundwater. Soil acts as natural filter and prevents flooding. Now we came to end of session. Now you will be clear on the concept on soil. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe more Score CBSE. Thanks for watching.